Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how we are going to export to the CSV using the React table. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the code base. So here you can see that users table, we have a name, age and the country. When I do the export to the CSV, it will download, and when I try to open the file, here you can see that with the name, age and the country. Okay, simple, easy. Let's take a look how we are doing that. The React CSV, we are installing this package, that is React CSV. Make sure you have to install the same another package, that is install prop types, otherwise it will give you the prop type issue. Okay, so and the next step is like here we have the code. Okay, so first of all we have to create a table with export. This is the variable data. Okay, so data we have, then we have a headers. So whatever data you have, you can just add it over here. Then we have a headers. Okay, after this we have the headers dot map. So first of all we are going to map the headers with the label and the key, so to show that one. Okay, after that we have the data, then map that one. Okay, so in that format it will give you that table look. So here you can see that it's a table look, right? After this we have a CSV link, okay, where we have to do the export, sorry. So here you can see that generate the CSV. So how we have to import the CSV link and the CSV download from the React CSV. You have to define the CSV data, and with the help of the CSV link we have to pass the data, which data you want to make it in a CSV. And this is how the CSV link work. And here, or the CSV download you can make with the data and the target to be a new window or something. Okay, so same thing we are doing the CSV data. We have to pass the data, then headers, the file name, the class name, and the style if you want to add. Then export to CSV and the CSV. It should be closed. Okay, very easy, very simple. You have to formulate the data, then the headers, and then you have to pass the data and the headers and the file name which you want. In which file name you have to export that part. So you have to add it over here, and it's very easy, very simple. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.